Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see posts you like on TikTok. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok apps. And after this, in here, if you wanna see posts you like on TikTok, you just click on the profile icon at the bottom. And after this, in here, you just click on the love icon, this one, click on it. And after this, in here you can see many posts you like on TikTok. You can watch your video you like on TikTok again. So that's how to see posts you like on TikTok. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.